Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do a really nice eye makeup using my Emerald palette. I know you've been waiting for ages to see some looks with these palettes, and please forgive me and bear with me. Things have just been really busy in work and I haven't had a chance to do videos on anybody or even myself over the last while. But I am hoping in the next week to be able to start doing lots of content on it and showing you different ways to use it. But today I thought I'd show you a nice little way to use it on myself. It's going to be more of maybe an evening type look. You could wear this during the day as well, but I would probably wear this type of look for the evening. And like I said, it's using our Emerald palette. So I'm going to go in first with my flat shadow brush and my lightest colour. So I'm going to take that on the brush and just give it a little sweep to under the brows, onto the brow bone there, just to give a little bit of lift and definition. And a small bit just on the inner corners there as well. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my bronze on my blender brush, and I'm just going to give this a little sweep from the corner and into the crease. It's just acting really as a base, but not so much a transition colour, more, well, it can be a little bit of a transition colour, but it's just more of a little base to give a bit of contour to the eye. Same again there. Nice and gently. Then before I go in with my greens, I'm going to go in with, this is a new product that's coming on the 20th of October. It's our liner lashes. So it's an eyeliner and it's a mascara in one. And I have to say, I have never seen anything like this before. So I don't like to say that it's first to market because, you know, somewhere way, you might have something like this, but I've never seen it. And I thought it'd be something that'd be so handy. But we do have them in black and in brown. So I'm going to take that onto my lash line. So just to outline my eyes. And we made the pencil nice and skinny because everybody asked for a skinny eyeliner. And I'm going to take it into my upper lash line. So sorry, I'm trying to decide where is best for me to look. Can't see my mirror properly there. So I'm going to take it into the lash line. So just nice and gently. Just to give a little bit of definition there. It's a new formula of eyeliner as well. So it's really creamy, but it's not going to budge throughout the day. Okay, so just give myself a little outline. Might go onto the lashes a little there. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my my greens. So I am going to start with my deepest green and my Pro Blender. So I'm going to take some of that up, shake off the excess, and then I'm going to blend that into the lower lash line. So it's kind of smudging into where I put that eyeliner. You could use the brown liner here as well if you want. I just wanted to go a little smokier for this one today. So kind of blending it out. And then I'm going to take that into the upper lash line as well. So blending out the black slightly. Okay, and then into my crease. So from the outside, and blend it into the crease line. So always start from the outside and then bring it in, because that means then you're going to get, the colour is going to be stronger out here and it's going to fade away like you want it to when you come to the inside. Okay, I'm going to deepen that up in the crease. And then blend it outwards. I'm going to take a little bit of my darkest brown there and just bring that into the corner as well, just to give it an extra little bit of depth out there. Love that. And then I'm going to go in with my lightest green and I'm going to just sweep that across my lid. Just to kind of pop that colour slightly. Then go back in at my darkest and start to build that a bit more. When you're using new colours like this for the first time, the key is just to build slowly. You know, don't go all in at once. I'm going to go back in with my blender with no more product on it and just blend that gently out. And then just make sure we're nicely blended in here. Okay, I'm going to even this eye up really quickly and then we'll come back and do a bit more on this eye. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my mascara. So my black mascara from the Liner Lashes. I'm going to start on my bottom. Gives them a nice little coat. And then right into the root and wiggle out. That is my mascara on, and then I have one more piece that I want to do with this look, and that is to go in with a nice plum lip. This is our new lip kit that is coming on the 20th of October. I think it is absolutely beautiful for this time of year, and I think it's going to work so nice with this colour. So everyone was asking what Zoe was wearing the day that we did the photo shoot, and she had the green eyes on, and this is what she had on. So I'm going to show it to you now. So we have our plum lip liner. So I'm going to quickly outline my lips with that. Gives it a nice shape. And then I'm going to go in with my plum lipstick. I just love this color. It's so nice worn on its own or with the gloss over it. Just love it. I think it's such a rich color. Everybody in the office absolutely adores this color. And I'm going to finish it with my gloss. And that is my makeup done. I absolutely love this. I think it's so nice for autumn, winter. I love the green in the eyes. I absolutely adore the plum lip kit. You obviously could wear it with a more muted lip if you didn't want to go strong lip and strong eyes, but I think it's so good. I love to have the little bit of definition as well around the eyes when it comes to doing a green or a different type of colour than you might be used to. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you soon.